Ladies and gentlemen, I'm UK Media Force that used to force a new life of the story that actually happened all while was being done from the government of Katsina State. Today, self will get another issue about Dr. Malam UMAR RADDA was take an action about those who are learning and those who are teaching children. So, this is an action taken from Dr. Malam UMAR RADDA. That's a very good and very so I'm praised, and I'm so happy about the action that the Dr. Malam UMAR RADDA does keep on, because if there is not any action that he used to take for anybody that refused to follow his own rules or regulation of his state, there must be a consequences that that person that might face in his own activities. So if you gotta take a look about these issues, is very so important for us, we that we are learning and those we are learning and teaching. So if you take a look about this and a special account, which is Dr.